February 25th, 2024. A quiet residential call. A 68-year-old man, a crying child, and rights that would need translating within his own family. Officers arrived to investigate a reported assault and ran into a language barrier from the very first question. This case turns on two legal questions. How long can a detention last before it becomes an arrest, and what happens when Miranda rights cross a language barrier?
Sir. Hold on, sir. Sir. Hi, I'm Officer Rodriguez. Just so you know, my camera's recording, alright? What's going on?
Wanting some things I have given. If not,
What's going on? Hi. You okay? What's going on? You okay? Just so you know, our cameras are on, okay?
what is it?
You okay, buddy?
Is that last? Yep, I did. Sir? It's on the floor.
You live here?
Yes.
Okay, so what's going on? Why is he crying so much?
I'll ask the telephone to my daughter is there. He's my grandson.
Okay.
He's weeping so much. I scold him not to weep. He's crying so much.
Why is he crying? Huh? Listen, I'll be honest with you. We were called because somebody said that you were hitting the kid. Is that true?
I'm not understanding what you are saying, sir.
What do you mean?
I'll just call.
That's your daughter? Okay.
I'm coming from Delhi. मैं नीचे हूँ बहुत रो रहा था पुलिस आ गई है
Okay.
नीचे था पुलिस आ गई है नीचे हूँ हाँ अपने घर के बाहर He's coming.
Hey, buddy. You okay? Who's this?
His father.
Is his dad?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Hold on.
Okay, Daddy.
We'll wait for daddy.
Okay, happy.
What are you gonna say?
He was weeping so much. So
Come on.
Come on. Okay.
Alright. Where's your shoe?
घर के बाहर आ जाऊँ
Put your shoe on. Put your shoe on. Hold on. Hold on. Pick it up. Pick your foot up.
कार है
Yeah? Alright, hold on. You wanna go to daddy?
Daddy.
He's gonna go to you. Stay here, sir. Let's say.
Okay.
He's gonna go to daddy. Stay here.
What happened? Who was off?
I don't know, but he was not happy, and I scolded him, and he actually
Did you
struck.
hit his arm?
Huh?
Did you hit him?
No.
You can hang up. That's her, right? Stay here, sir.
He
Stay here.
started hitting the ball.
I'm gonna follow the reporting party back to the car to see if there's gonna be video footage of this incident. That's pushing.
You heard? She's gonna follow the reporting party. They have video footage.
है मैं समझा नहीं मैंने इसलिए किया कि वो मान नहीं रहा था प्यार से समझाया मैंने
कोई भी नहीं कुछ पापा इसको मारने नहीं का जरूरत
नहीं
आपको पता है कितनी नहीं को ट्रबल में डाल दिया और इसको ये क्या आप सीधा घर आ जाते कॉल कर देते
मैं फोन कर आई वाज टेलीफोन फोन वाज नॉट वर्किंग
Alright, sir, you're gonna be detained for the time being. Alright? Look that way. Look that way.
I'll take the
You're gonna be detained for the time being until while we do investigation,
No,
okay?
Why?
Sir.
I'll give you passport. Bring the passport from me. Okay.
Listen, you're gonna be detained for the time being, alright? Detained. Alright, for now. Alright, so I'm gonna put handcuffs on you. For now. Alright? Put your hands behind your back. Sir, listen to me. Put your hands behind your back. It's just for now, sir. It's just detained for now while we do an investigation. Sir? Other hand. Other hand. This way. Listen to me. Listen, it's just for now.
He's
All right?
my friend. How can I beat him?
I understand that, all right? While we're doing an investigation, I need to put handcuffs on you, all right? For the time being, all right?
Issue 1 Investigatory Detention. Under Terry versus Ohio, 392 U.S. 1968 officers can briefly detain someone on reasonable suspicion without that detention becoming a full arrest. Handcuffs alone don't make it an arrest. Courts look at whether the restraint was reasonably necessary for officer safety during an active investigation. Here, officers repeated it more than once. Detained for the time being. That phrasing is doing real legal work, not just calming the moment.
All right?
Ask him. Eric, you ask him what is this?
We are asking, all right? I just need you to listen to me. Listen to me. All right? Listen, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Don't resist. Because then it's going to make it worse. Don't do that. Listen to me. If you keep doing that, I'm going to have to press charges for that. All right? Just calm down. I'm just detaining you for the time being. All right?
Okay, that's fine. You just listen to us. We'll talk to you nice. You just gotta listen to us, okay? What happened? Okay, no problem.
मैं आपको कल भेज ही देती ज़्यादा ट्रबल में मत करो कोई बात नहीं जो हुआ but
Just explain to him that he's just being detained at this time. That's why we're putting the cost. All right? So that's why he was trying to understand. But I guess he doesn't really understand what I'm saying.
much he does but not very clearly.
So if you can just explain that to him, that he's just being detained right now. That's why the handcuffs are on. All right?
ठीक है पापा आप सिर्फ आपको रखा गया डिटेन किया सिर्फ तभी हैंडकफ डालना है that's it और कुछ नहीं करेंगे आपको ठीक है
They are very loose, okay? Very loose. So it doesn't hurt his wrist, okay?
okay
I'm going to read lines in English. Because I have questions. Pretty much going to be our translator, okay? Tell him he has the right to remain silent. That's the first line.
पापा आप चुप रह सकते हो आपको राइट है कि आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते और कोई क्वेश्चन करता है ओके
Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
अगर आप कुछ भी बोलते हो आपके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई शुरू हो सकती है तो पहले आप
You have the right to speak with a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned.
आपके पास राइट है टू गेट अ लॉयर और जब आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है सो इसलिए अगर आपको कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता जवाब देने में वही दो
The comfortable है मैं इनको बोलता हूँ ना
पापा जस्ट ऑब्जर्व पापा
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish.
Issue 2 Miranda through a translator. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436 1966. A suspect must be told of the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney before custodial interrogation. Here that warning was delivered by the man's own daughter, translating it line by line in real time. Courts require a translated Miranda warning to be complete and accurate. That standard gets harder to meet when the translator is family, not a neutral interpreter.
Okay, अगर आपके
He's not under arrest. These are, but yes, know his rights.
या पापा आपके राइट्स अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हो तो आपको स्टेट प्रोवाइड करेगी
They have the card. The guy,
If you decide to answer questions now,
the son, when he was here, he doesn't really understand what we're saying. He was saying about he was struggling and was crying a lot. He's saying that he never hit him, but they have something about video on the other side of the cover. He's in there with that.
बिकॉज ये लोग आपको जेल में डाल देंगे सो लॉयर इफ यू वांट लॉयर लॉयर आपको करना है अगर स्टेट लॉयर चाहिए स्टेट कर
ask him if he understands.
आप समझिए सर अंडरस्टूड
क्यों है शिकायत?
पापा यहाँ पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर स्ट्रिक्ट यू कांट हिट एनीवन
We love our child and these people are cruel.
पापा जस्ट
Does he understand his rights?
He
Does he
does.
understand that he doesn't have to talk to us, but if he wants, he can. If he doesn't want to,
Yes, he
doesn't have
understands
to.
his rights.
He understands. Okay. All right. So just give me one moment, sir. Okay.
Can I call my brother also?
Yeah. Call your brother. Okay.
Stay with
Just
here with me, sir. Stay here, okay?
Okay.
Right here with me.
We'll stay in the sunlight.
You want to stay in the sunlight? All right, let's go.
Let's sit somewhere. Yeah.
Right here? Good? Right here. So I have to be able to see over there, okay?
Okay.
Let me just search. Do a bear search on it.
Yep.
Grab his right side.
In
Hindi, she's translated.
And he understood. All right. We're definitely maybe a translator.
That's me.
Search the incident of the wallet for me while I search his person.
Portfolio 100.
Stay there, don't move. Good. Nothing else?
Put him in. I don't want to walk him back. Let's go.
Yeah? Daddy, how do you
Over there while I search him. Anything in here?
No, keep it.
No, this is yours. You can keep it.
Sit here?
Yeah,
Yep.
sit there.
Okay, no problem. But you should make it front, no?
I should make it what?
This way should become.
They're not made for comfort, huh? So I apologize for that.
They're very loose, so.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the car seat.
No, he was talking about
Hopefully they're not too loose, right?
not too loose, but they're loose enough. And
There's
just,
no loss prevention available until 3 p.m. Nobody else has access to these cameras. Obviously.
Did you say transport?
yeah, he said transport. His stuff is here. I'll follow you. We'll do everything for you guys.
Good.
Early transport one though, man.
Come on, sir.
Is there ID on here?
No. I'm gonna call boy for real quick, see if he
Yeah.
can get it. Okay. Go with him, sir. Go with him.
Thank you.
Let me call him real quick.
Following the arrest, the suspect was issued a summons for the charges against him. He was subsequently served and released on his own recognizance, pending a scheduled appearance in court. Please leave a comment. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new videos.
A search followed, then an arrest. The man was issued a summons and released on his own recognizance pending a scheduled court appearance. Here's how this one grades out. The officers earn a B+. They stayed patient through a genuine language barrier, repeated the detention status clearly, and got a real-time translator in place fast. The trade-off leaning on a relative to translate constitutional rights raises real questions about whether those rights were actually understood. The subject gets an incomplete grade. He denied the allegation consistently, but the case turned on evidence he didn't control footage on someone else's phone. The lesson here isn't about guilt or innocence. It's that constitutional protections don't pause for a language barrier. They just get harder to guarantee. If you can't understand your rights, you can't knowingly waive them. That's the actual legal standard courts apply. This case was still moving through the court system at the time of this analysis. What do you think should happen next? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more bodycam legal breakdowns every week.